Hi guys, today we're going to make our lip balm. I have my coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my Vaseline and I have my lipstick. Okay, now let's start. I'm going to make just a little quantity for you guys to see. I pour my oil and my lipstick. As for the lipstick, you can put any quantity you like, depend on how you want your lip balm should be. Okay. Now you are going to mix. You mix very well. Mix very well. Now I'm going to put my Vaseline. You have to mix very well. I'm just doing the small quantity, but if you want to make large quantity, you will have to use a mixer for it to mix. I just do this one for you guys to see. Now our lip balm is ready. You can see. Now I'm going to put in my container. As you can see, our lip balm is ready.